teen, teen.
Oh, is he an engineer?
My brother is an engineer. An engineer. It's Saturday. I'm off today.
I listen to rock music at work.
I don't listen to music at work because I'm too busy.
No, our customers don't like cake.
I'm writing a different report now. Different.
Please don't listen to loud music at the front desk.
He works as a manager at this company. I'm listening to music now, sorry.
Engineer.
Works.
Woohoo!
I have a date with an engineer tonight. My husband is smart. He's an engineer. My uncle works at the famous company. As an engineer.